I've been living in this particular apartment for about the last decade, and over that time I've had false alarms on a regular basis like this throughout the whole period. I estimate that we might have had to have paid the Metropolitan Fire Brigade almost $500,000 to come out to each of these false alarms over that period. And on top of that, I also have the other bonus of there's a building called Adina on Elizabeth Street. Sorry, not Elizabeth, Flinders Street, that actually also has fire alarms going off independently of ours. It's actually even louder than ours and bleeds through where a car park is. So I not only cop my own fire alarms, I also get it from the neighbours as well. And speaking of neighbours, that's the other little bonus I have here. I have my neighbour upstairs who's quite happy to climb down the exterior of the building and balance themselves on the balcony railing at my particular apartment. So as you can see, there's lots of fun and games living in the city. It does have advantages, but it does also have downsides, as I've found out the hard way. But hopefully other people haven't had quite as rough an experience. Well, I suppose you can say one thing, it ain't boring. There's always something to comment on, and it gives me plenty of YouTube material, so I suppose there's a silver lining there somewhere.